Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. And our today's topic, word problems 4. This is lesson number 37. Okay, let us start our class. In this class, we will solve total 2 word problems. At first, I am reading the word problem question of word problems number I. Here, the question is: when Rohima Begum weighted some quantity of rice, she used 2 weights of 1 kilogram, 1 weight of 500 gram, and 2 weights of 100 gram. What was the weight of quantity of rice? Now, here we know that 1 weight of 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Here total 2 weights of 1 kilogram exist. So here 1 weight of 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. We know it. Therefore, 2 weights of 1 kilogram is equal to 2 multiplication, sorry, it's 1000. 2 multiplication 1000 gram, and this is equal to 2000 gram. Now 1 weight of 500 gram, this is equal to 500 gram. 1 weight of 500 gram is equal to 500 gram. Again, she used 2 weights of 100 grams. So we know that 1 weight of 100 gram is equal to 100 grams. So 2 weights of 100 gram is equal to 2 times of 100 gram. 1 weight of 100 gram is equal to 100 gram. Therefore, 2 weights of 100 gram is equal to 100 multiplication 2 gram. This is equal to 200 gram. So total weight will be 2000 gram plus 500 gram plus 200 gram. So weight of the rice, total weight of rice. Therefore, weight of rice is equal to 2000 plus 500 plus 200 gram. If we add this, 2000 plus 500 is equal to 2500 and another 200, so it should be 2700 gram, and answer will be 2700 gram. Okay, dear the students, we have finished I number word problems. Now we will solve J number word problems. Here the question is: the weight of a bag of 42 is 2 kg 750 gram. How can the bag be weighted with the least number of measuring weights? Here the weight of potato. The weight of potato is equal to 2 kg plus 750 gram is equal to 2 kg plus 750 gram. For measuring 2 kg we need 2 weights of 1 kg, but for measuring 750 gram how many weights we need? We know that there is not exist weights of 750 grams. So we have to divide 750 into some small weights. That we can write it as like as 2 kg plus 500 gram plus 200 gram plus 50 gram. We know that weight of 500 gram exists, weight of 200 gram also exists, and weight of 50 gram also exists. And we can write it as like as 2 multiplication 1 kg plus 1 multiplication 500 gram plus 1 multiplication 200 gram plus 1 multiplication 50 gram. From this information we can say that for measuring the weight of this potato we need 2 weights of 1 kg, 1 weight of 500 gram, 1 weight of 200 gram and 1 weight of 50 gram. Therefore, for measuring the potato we need 2 weight of 1 kg, 2 weights of 1 kg, 1 weight of 500 gram, 1 weight of 500 gram, 1 weight of 200 gram, and 1 weight of 50 gram. Now we will write the answer. Answer 2 weight of 1 kg. One weight of 500 gram, 1 weight of 200 gram and another one is 1 weight of 50 gram. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.